I have a very special guest with me today. His name is Dave DeSantis, and he is actually our producer for Good Day Orange County. Dave, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me on the other side of the camera.
I know, I bet. Is it a little different to be on the other side?
Yeah, it's kind of it's not scary.
It's not scary.
No.
No, you're natural. So
I wouldn't go that far.
That's great. Well, tell me a little bit about, we're going to play 2 songs today, which I'm so excited about. One solo for you and then one together, if that's okay with you.
Yeah.
And so I want to know just a little bit about how you got started.
I got started playing music because my family, I come from like a family of musicians. You can probably relate.
Yeah.
And my dad played guitar, and when I was really little, he would play with his friends, and I didn't know how to play anything but like the harmonica, just in whatever key they were playing. So they would always play Something's Happening Here.
Okay.
And I'd play the harmonica solo. And then as I got a little bit older, my parents were kind of like, well, do you want to keep doing this? Do you want to try something else? And I got into DJing, and then eventually guitar. And my dad turned me on to like a lot of really cool music at a very young age. So
very cool. So
who's
your all-time fave?
Oh my gosh, that's a tough question. Probably the most influential band to like really get me into playing was the Eagles. When I saw Hell Freezes Over.
I love the Eagles.
Yeah.
I know my son and I've been trying to educate my son in the correct ways of music, like the Eagles and Led Zeppelin.
Right.
And so we were listening to Hotel California last night. It's like his go-to music.
Yeah.
It's super cool.
Well, their catalog is enormous. You could go through and listen to every one of their songs 10 different ways.
That's right. That's right. Well, so what are you going to play today?
I'm going to play something a little bit newer by Foster the People, and the song is called Pumped Up Kicks. Okay, great. Interesting thing about Foster the People, they actually, the lead singer started writing commercial jingles, and then one day they got their song in a commercial, but they didn't actually like break through until like 2 or 3 years later. So like the song was already out there, and then people started figuring out who they were, and I'm sure you'll recognize the song.
Okay, I can't wait to hear it.
All right. Robert's got a quick hand. Look around the room, he won't tell you his plan. Got a rolled cigarette hanging out his mouth. He's a cowboy kid, yeah. Found a 6-shooter gun in his dad's closet with a box of fun things. I don't even know what. Coming for you, yeah, he's coming for you. And all the other kids with the pumped up kicks, better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet, yeah. Daddy works a long day, coming home late, he keeps coming home late, and he's bringing me a surprise. Dinner's in the kitchen and it's packed and nice. I waited for a long time. Now the slide in my hand is now a quick pull trigger, reason with my cigarette. Say your hair's on fire, must have lost your wits, yeah. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, run, better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, run, better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet.
Fantastic, Dave.
I think the whistling makes that song. Like any song with whistling is catchy.
Honestly, that's true. Like you got the Scorpions, Winds of Change. That's a great whistling song, and this is also I don't know whether I'm more impressed with the singing, the playing, or the whistling. All three were fantastic.
I think I could like sing like okay, but I think you're a much better singer than
Well, I don't know about that, but let's sing one.
Well, there you go.
Can we
Yeah.
do something together? So let's say here, how about Imagine?
I think I can do that.
Okay, all right. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Dave, that was awesome.
That was fun.
That was so fun.
Will
Thank
you let me do that again sometime?
Would you please? We should do this every time. It was fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
On this end of the camera.
Yeah, I have to get back to work.
Okay, you can go get back to work, and we'll be right back.